Welcome to Tat Sat. Today, we unravel a powerful and inspiring tale from the Skanda Purana, the birth of Lord Kartikeya, the fearless commander of the celestial army. This story speaks of the cosmic battle between good and evil, where the Devas seek divine intervention to restore Dharma. Let us dive into this extraordinary narrative. In an era of chaos, the demon Tarkasur grew invincible after receiving a boon from Lord Brahma. The boon stated that only the son of Lord Shiva could defeat him. Armed with this blessing, Tarkasur unleashed his tyranny over the three worlds. Leaving the Devas powerless and pleading for help, the Devas approached Lord Shiva on Mount Kailash requesting him to marry and produce a son who could end Tarkasur reign. However, Lord Shiva was immersed in deep meditation, detached from worldly affairs. The Devas realized that the union of Shiva and Parvati was the only hope for their salvation. After immense efforts, Parvati's devotion and penance touched Shiva's heart. Their divine union was celebrated with grandeur, marking a cosmic event that set the stage for the birth of their son. But the birth of this divine child required a sequence of extraordinary events orchestrated by the gods. Shiva's energy, too intense for Parvati to bear directly, manifested as a fiery spark. The gods turned to Agni, the fire god, to carry this divine seed. Agni, burdened by its power, sought refuge in the sacred waters of the Ganga. There, the spark of energy transformed into a divine child, radiating unmatched brilliance. From the confluence of Shiva's energy and Ganga's purity, Lord Kartikeya was born a child destined to become the commander of the Devas' army. He was nurtured by the Kritikas, the six celestial mothers, and hence named Kartikeya. He also came to be known as Skanda and Murugan in different traditions. Under the guidance of the Devas, Kartikeya mastered the art of warfare and the use of celestial weapons. His valor, intelligence, and divine aura made him the perfect leader to face Tarkasur. With his divine spear, Kartikeya led the celestial forces into battle. A fierce war ensued between good and evil. Kartikeya's strategic brilliance and divine power overwhelmed Tarkasur. In a climactic moment, Kartikeya slayed Tarkasur, fulfilling the prophecy and restoring peace to the universe. The story of Lord Kartikeya's birth is a reminder of the eternal triumph of Dharma over Adharma. It teaches us that divine intervention combined with courage and wisdom can overcome even the greatest challenges. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to Tat Sat for more stories from the Vedas, Upanishads and Puranas. Ayam Tat Sat.